Ion 2.0 collection, anyone? Yes? Let's start with the frenzy and don't forget to stick to the end to see the final animation.
Thyros.exe.
First of all, thanks to Abe who sent me this concept and all the people that wanted to see Ion 2.0. This is your time, but before we start, like and subscribe and check out the other cool concepts that I made in the past. And leave your ideas for the next concepts that I should make in the comments below. All done? Okay, let's start. I created this energy ball that's in the center of every Ion weapon. I really fell in love with this. And even rendered an animation where you can see it in all his glory. It's really satisfying. I also created the material that disintegrates to reveal the energy ball. It's really cool. But enough prepared. Let's move to the frenzy now. As I said before, Abe kindly sent me this reference. I really like the shapes, but I refined some of the detail I wanted and added my energy ball that I created before. Then I moved into Blender and blocked out the design. If this were Riot, this would be a separate collection, like Minima 2.0 or something. We don't want that, so the first thing I did was to add a subdivision surface modifier to smooth everything out. Then I cut a hole in the center to add my energy ball. But the body had no detail at all and I started over. I tried to implement the clean curved lines that Ion has. I firstly struggled with that, but I think I succeeded at the end. It went through a lot of iterations before I added the energy ball back in. I also added the barrel with the glass exterior. Then I created the magazine and the front and rear side. I also added a grip where you cannot hold the gun. I experimented around until I had something I liked. After that I joined the two parts together because something looked off. I also added a grip where you could actually hold the gun this time. Then I finished up the handle and that's it. I now only had to build an entire scene with robot arms, animate everything and then finally render it for around 10 fucking hours because the scene was too complex. Yay, fun times. I hope you liked the animation at the end, but before I forget, like and subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Thyros_exe or linked below. We see us next week.